Hello, Amir. What's going on? Hope you've been doing well. So we will touch on some questions. The first being, what can you tell us about Catalyst Workshop Group in Dubai this June 22nd?
Hello, Rami. How are you? It's so good to see you. I've been very good myself. Very busy planning the growth and the setup of the community here in Dubai. We have been working on a few things. One of the things we have worked on is this work group, this in-person work group with Catalyst, which is the funding mechanism, Rare Evo, and Sustain ADA. We're calling this the Catalyst Work Group. These are global events happening in Dubai, as we have participated to host in Dubai on June 22nd. Please follow the link down in the video and register if you are interested to join or hear news and updates about this. The idea is we're going to talk about Catalyst Fund, see what new improvements we can bring, and hear from the community. We want the community to bring ideas and recommendations on how Catalyst funding can be better. You know, every 6 months or so, there's a large fund from the Treasury being extracted and funding projects for Cardano. And we want to see that improved and continue and help globally the success of the Cardano builders.
Great. So how about we jump to Chang Hardfork update?
Cardano is also going through a lot of changes and improvement itself. There's the new hard fork that is called Chang. With this change, this will incorporate voting and DRep registration.
So concerning governance and DRep registration, if you have something to tell us also about that, it would be great.
And DRep registrations, which are representatives that you can delegate your vote towards. So your vote is related to how much ADA you're holding in your wallet, and you can pass that weight to a DRep. And this is really the first step of a decentralized governance that Cardano is working towards. We want to decentralize Cardano, help improvement plans, and help with the voting.
Any final message or keynote you would like to add? Maybe about HAWAK stake pool, perhaps?
Finally, yes, our delegation pool called HAWAK is growing, has been active now for over 20 months. Since October 2022, we have a decent group of delegates that are supporting us. And if you wish to delegate your Cardano wallet to us and help us grow HAWAK pool, we are a Dubai-based staking pool that helps get rewards from your ADA that you're holding. And as well, we're always available to help guide you and help you understand if you have any questions around Cardano, what projects are coming up, how you can contribute to Cardano as well. So by all means, don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions.
Thank you so much, Amir, for your time. It was great to see you as usual, and hope to see you soon.
Rami, as always, thank you so much. It has been a pleasure talking to you. I always look forward to our discussions, and I wish you a very nice day. Goodbye.